Assignment 2.2. Now we are going to look at assignment number 2.2. Right, the question number 1. Explain how RFID works. Features and application. Right? How RFID works. First of all, I would like to say, what do you mean by RFID? RFID means radio frequency identification and refer to a technology whereby digital data encoded in RFID tags or smart labels are captured by reader via radio waves. RFID is similar to barcoding in that data from a tag or label are captured by a device that stores the data in a database. RFID, however, has several advantages over systems that use the barcode asset tracking software. Right? Now we can see how RFID system works. How does the RFID system work? Right? Now you can see using this figure, you can easily understand this concept. Right? This is the tag or transpondent. This is the reader or integrator. Then in between antenna compute. Right? RFID system is made up of two parts, tag or labels and the reader. RFID tag or labels are embedded with the transmitter and receiver. The RFID components on the tag have two parts, a microchip that store and process information and an antenna to receive and transmit a signal. The tag contains a specific serial number for one specific object. To read the information encoded on a tag, a two-way radio transmitter, receiver, interrogator or reader emits a signal to the tag using an antenna. The tag responds with the information written in its memory bank. Right, now we are going to look at the features of RFID. RFID have many features. These are the features, right? You can see these are the RFID features, right? No line of sight. To read or write RFID text doesn't require line of sight. Read speed. Text can be read from significant distances and can also be read very quickly. For example, on a convey, reading multiple items, security, programmability. These are the features of RFID, radio frequency identification. Then now we are going to look at the RFID application. RFID has many applications such as asset tracking, inventory management, automotive, ID batching, supply chain management, animal tracking. RFID has many features, right? Now we are going to look at question number 2. Explain the features and application of Bluetooth, Zigbee and hotspot. Bluetooth is a short-range wireless communication technologies that allow devices such as smart mobile phones, computers and peripherals to transmit data or voice wirelessly over a short distance. These are the features of a Bluetooth, right? Less communication, less power. It is taking very less power consumption. It is separate, right? Robustness. These are the features of application. Now we are going to look at the application of Bluetooth, right? Wireless control of and communication between mobile phones and the hands-free headset. This was one of the earliest applications to become popular. Wireless communication with personal computer, input and output devices, the most common being the mouse, keyboard, printer. Bluetooth is used to transfer file, images and MP3s or MP4 between cell phones. It's used in laptops, notebooks. It's also used in printers. Zigbee. Zigbee is a standard-based wireless technology developed to enable low-cost, low-power wireless machine-to-machine machine, an Internet of Things, IoT network, right? Now we are going to look at the features of Zigbee. Zigbee solution of items. Retries and acknowledgement. It is cost effective. Speed of data rate 250 kb per second. It is highly reliable and secure. It has a lower latency. It has a long battery life due to low duty cycle. It has 1 to 8 bit AES encryption for secure data connection. It is easy to use and scalable. Application of Zigbee. The application of Zigbee. Zigbee is used in many applications. Smart home application. Automatic door, windows enabled with motion sensors. Healthcare devices and applications. Smart energy management application like solar energy system, hybrid vehicle charging, programmable communicating them. Connected lighting with energy saving option. Hotspots. Hotspot is a specific location that provides internet access by a wireless local area network, right? Then hotspot physical features. Features of hotspot. Hotspot is a physical location where people may obtain internet access, typically using Wi-Fi technology via a wireless local area network, using a router connected to an internet service provider. Public hotspot may be created by a business for use by customers. Application of hotspot enable you to connect the best Wi-Fi network, whether at home, at work, on the go. Provide secure encrypted connection to genuine. The Android apps also optimize connection between 4G mobile data, explicitly Wi-Fi around town. Explain the features, advantages, and an application of Li-Fi. Li-Fi stands for light fidelity and is a visible light communication system which enhances wireless communication that travel at very high speeds. Right? With the Li-Fi, your light bulb is essentially your router. It uses a common household LED light bulbs to enable data transfer, boosting speed up to 2 to 4 gigabits per second. Features of Li-Fi. Li-Fi features include benefit to the capacity, energy efficiency, safety, and security of wireless system. The number of key benefits, right? These are the features: bandwidth, the visible light spectrum, plentiful. Data density. Li-Fi can achieve about 1,000 times the data density of Wi-Fi because of visible light can be well contained. High speed, very high data rate can be achieved due to low interference, higher devices bandwidth. Planning. Capacity planning is simple. Environment safe, non-hazard control. Then application of Li-Fi. The speed of Li-Fi is very high and we can watch videos without buffering. Risk-free. Li-Fi utilizes the light wave channel. Availability everywhere. It is security. Main advantages for ultra-fast data communication. No interference like traditional radio waves. Multiple devices support. Scalable network for enterprise and home application. Highly reliable, simple implementation. Application of Li-Fi. Li-Fi is applied in various fields: traffic management, road safety, medical application, aviation, elegant lighting, transportation, industrial areas, smart home application for various appliances, wireless solution, enterprise and office, smart city application, smart transport, hospitals and healthcare. So Li-Fi is used in various fields. It is providing a lot of advantages and it has many features. It is in future it will be most effective one.